If your kitchen cabinet under the sink looks like a disaster every time you open it, these Amazon organizers completely changed the game for me. First is the Reel-In Under Sink Organizer, and honestly, this thing instantly made my cabinet feel twice as big. The L-shaped design works around pipes and garbage disposals, so you're not wasting awkward empty space anymore. The bottom drawer slides out smoothly too, which means no more digging around trying to find cleaning sprays in the back. Even People magazine called it a top space-saving organizer because of how much storage it adds under the sink. Next is the Delamu 2-tier under sink organizers. These are perfect if you have a lot of cleaning products, dish soap, or extra sponges everywhere. The 2-tier setup uses vertical space way better, and the pull-out drawers make everything easy to reach. The Kitchen actually listed these among the best under-sink organizers because they help keep taller bottles organized without wasting space in the back of the cabinet. And finally, the Simple Houseware Under-Sink 2-tier expandable shelf organizer. This one is genius for weird sink cabinets because the shelves can be adjusted around plumbing pipes instead of fighting against them. You can expand it wider depending on your cabinet size, which makes it perfect for smaller kitchens where every inch matters. A lot of people online call these kinds of adjustable organizers a total game changer because they finally make that awkward under-sink space actually usable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.